You what happened today. So today was a wild day. There were issues with Tradevate, so I was fighting with that all morning, which was unfortunate because I had overtrade and things got messed up. I got switched from 5 contracts to 15 contracts. The data was delayed. There were a lot of fill issues. So I was actually down almost to max loss, almost lost 3,000 there. But I was able to come back, thank goodness. Just had a YOLO moment. I'm like, I don't care anymore. I'm so close to max drawdown now. That was YOLO it. So I put 15 contracts on the NASDAQ. Made a pretty good move there, and then I got 2 good moves, part of the plan on the ES, which I normally do, and I was able to end the day 681 after commissions. I got slaughtered with commissions because I had to overtrade to get back to even break even. So I'll show you right here where the bad stuff happened. So as we can see here, I was max, negative 2,600 with commissions, just due to all the issues that Tradevate had. Then I was able to whittle my way back up to 681. So that ended really well. Thank goodness that I had these last good trades here. I figured out it started acting more normal, and I was able to come back. So this is where it switched me to 15 contracts, and I got destroyed. But can't do much about that. But then I had these last 3, 1650, 500, 500, that really got me back up to in the green, to 681 on the day. So that was nice. So I am trying a new strategy with the NASDAQ, which, kind of bad on me. But the trade of issues were real. So I did lose 380 there. That was part of the plan. Here's another $200 winner that I had. So most of these were part of the plan. It's just they were poorly executed on Tradevate. So here, you can't even see them, but these are pretty much break evens. I was trading 15 contracts. I don't know why it was doing that. Don't do that on the NASDAQ because it's just a volatile. Here I had a $500 loser. That was part of the plan. So that was my bad. And that looks like it's back to 5. So I don't know why I jumped between 15 and 5. I don't know why. Here is where it jumped back to 15. And I had a $1,500 loser. This is terrible. This is awful. This is where I was in pretty bad shape at that point because it switched to 15 and it was a loss on the hit my stop loss. So pushed me out pretty far. That was a pretty depressing moment. But it happens. But it's got to be more careful next time. Watch Tradevate, make sure they're actually running good. I proceed to have a lot more break-even trades. Got a couple wins, and at this point, I'm just trying to trade back to, anything. So I'm not really following my plan. So I made 300 there, 75 there, 275 there, lost 150 there. At this point, it's back to 15. I don't know, like I said, I don't know why it's at 15. But I made 225 there. And then here I did switch it to 15. This is where I just forget it. I don't care. So I made 1650 there, got myself back to pretty much almost break even. And that was my last one with the NASDAQ. And that's when I moved back to the ES. I saw 2 good moves coming up on my strategy. Nailed these 2, 500 and 500. And that's what got me back up to 681. It's just unfortunate that, I was able to make 4,100. But I lost 2,800 because of all the issues that Tradevate had. So luckily I was able to end the day in green, moving my way up. 681 is good. I'm pretty happy with that, but it could have been a lot better if there hadn't been so many issues. But I hope this was entertaining. Show you what's up. Hopefully your trading went better than mine today, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.